This is the flywheel side. I'm using a 9/16 deep well 6-point Craftsman socket to install this. And no, this is not the proper tool, but it will work. Little Molly engine assembly lube on the crank. I'm going to put just a little bit in the seal. As I put it in there, I slightly spin it so that the grease is evenly distributed. Just gently push it down. Very small hammer. Okay. I want a feel of this with a screwdriver just to feel that shoulder a little bit. Okay. Take you out. We'll give you a close-up if we can get a good close-up of this. There we are. Now there's just a slight bump. I can just slightly feel that with the screwdriver. I can't give you a measurement, but I'm bumping it. There is a little bit of an exposed edge right there. Okay. The clutch side is already installed, but I'll show you how that's done. The Coke can trick in the MS661 video, Farmertech Stihl MS660 video. It's not a Coke can, actually, it's a business card, HL Supply. Here is that bearing. Another topic of interest. These are OEM steel bearings. They are made in Japan. We get that to come in there. There we go. Japan. Japanese bearings. That's what came out of the saw, and that's what went back in it. So we'll install that seal next. As I said, this is a 6-point Craftsman. (9/16) right there at the bottom. Okay, put you back on the stand and we'll install the seal on that bearing. What you want to try not to do is prolapse the seal. It has a spring inside it. As you go over the crank, you want to use that business card to help it slide on. so that it does not prolapse. But we'll install that seal. You can do it on the saw or off the saw, either one. For that, this is not marked with the diameter. The diameter is 28 millimeters on the outside, and that's what you want. You want this to fit on the inside of this bearing. The seal fits inside of this bearing. It's a metal seal. So we lay it like that. The same small jeweler's hammer. There we go. And using the card trick, the Coke can trick, you can do it without any of that. Just be very careful, go very slow, use plenty of grease. So there's our crankshaft seals, flywheel, and clutch side on the Stihl MS460 crankcase build. Thank you for watching.